covering an area of 16,500 square meters. Dalian Yada Industrial Co., Limited is a leading manufacturer of eco-friendly bamboo and wooden tableware. Located in Dalian, China, the company features advanced equipment and clean workshops with a strong focus on quality, innovation, and sustainability. Before entering the production area, all personnel follow strict hygiene procedures. Workers change into dust-free garments, wear protective caps, and complete hand washing and disinfection steps to maintain a sterile production environment. Precision molding technology shapes each wooden knife, fork, and spoon with consistent dimensions and flawless finish, laying the foundation for Yada's product excellence. The first floor workshop showcases Yada's intelligent production systems. Each batch of ice cream sticks is tumbled in polishing drums for about 3 hours, resulting in a smoother and finer surface. Logos are heat-branded to create a unique identity for each customer, enhancing both product traceability and brand recognition. The 94mm ice cream spoon production line runs efficiently with full automation. On the 90mm wooden coffee stir line, products go through polishing, bundling, and manual and card inspection to ensure consistent quality. In the tongue depressor section, automatic sorting machines categorize products into A, B, C, and D grades, ensuring reliable quality and consistency throughout production. Staff members wear clean garments and pass through an air shower system before entry. The second floor houses a Class 100,000 clean room, dedicated to high-standard manufacturing. Automated packaging machines efficiently pack knives, forks, and spoons while maintaining high hygiene standards. Ice cream sticks are automatically conveyed from the first floor to the clean room, where intelligent sorting machines classify them by grade. A few lines are also equipped with automated boxing systems. Quality inspection personnel carry out thorough checks on smoothness, shape, and appearance to ensure products meet international export standards. Each production zone, raw material, auxiliary material, turnover, and waste area is clearly divided for strict material control. Before shipment, all finished goods undergo metal detection to ensure product safety. In-house microbiological testing is conducted regularly to ensure products continuously meet hygiene and safety standards, in line with international food-grade requirements. The 3,150 square meter warehouse is equipped with high-rise racks and forklifts, enabling efficient logistics, storage, and global order distribution management. Yada offers a full range of sustainable wooden and bamboo tableware products. Ice cream sticks and spoons, smooth, durable, and safe for dessert and frozen applications. Ice cream sticks come in various sizes, including 60, 70, 80, 93, 94, and 114 millimeters. Ice cream spoons are also available in a wide range of sizes, from 60 to 127 millimeters. Wooden knives, forks, and spoons, an ideal choice combining eco-friendliness and practicality, available in various sizes, including 140, 160, 165, and 185 millimeters. Coffee stirrers, simple, sturdy, and ideal for cafe and takeaway service. Bamboo skewers, natural and strong, perfect for grilling and catering events. Toothpicks and chopsticks, everyday essentials crafted with precision. Wooden forks and custom designs, tailored solutions for global markets. Yada operates modern, high-capacity production facilities and holds certifications, including ISO 9001, BRCGS, FSC, GMP, and SEDEX, ensuring reliable product quality while promoting transparency in workers' rights and health and safety, fully meeting global standards.